What's up, guys? Coming to you again. It's been a while, or maybe a few weeks on any vehicles that we have. So here I have behind me, it's a 2016 Acura MDX with premium package, fully loaded, entertainment system, you name it, it has it. Lane departure, completely loaded with everything, all the bells and whistles. Very nice vehicle, drives awesome, very fully serviced, state inspected, mechanically inspected, detailed, like new. Looking for a new vehicle, SUV, holds 7 passengers, third row seats, leather. This is the car for you, so don't take my word for it. Come check us out. We are right here in Raleigh, North Carolina, 3125 Gresham Lake Road, Suite 101 at Shine and Style Imports. But here we go. Let me give you a quick peek at this vehicle. As you can see, nice blue exterior. We got the alloy wheels. Vehicle only has 2 previous owners. And has about 80,000 miles. 80,000 miles in a 2016. Michelin tires like new. Yeah, so 80,000 miles, 2016 Acura MDX, fully loaded. Nice clean SUV, looking for a new home. Alright, so this has the V6, of course, you know it's the V6 powered engine. Power windows, power locks, lane departure warning. Let's take this volume down a little bit. Alright. Navigation, backup camera, power seats, dual power seats. Bluetooth. Let's take a look at this. Push that button. DVD entertainment. Navigation. Backup cam. Like I said, only 80,000 miles. Power sunroof. There goes your entertainment system. You get to shade it for, say you got the kids back here, you got this shade right here. Keep that sun away. Very nice vehicle, folks. It's gonna be priced at $23,900, and that's actually a good deal on this vehicle right now. DVD, everything works, headsets. Kids will enjoy. We got the third row seating back here. Again, very nice vehicle. So if you're in the market for an SUV, this one will be something for you to think about. Got the automatic liftgate. That's powered. Alright. Very clean overall, just details. So come on down, check us out. Visit us online. This vehicle will be posted here very soon at $23,900. Okay? And it's www.shineandstyleimports.com. Need financing? Hit us up. We do financing. All credit applicants are welcome to apply. Slow credit, bad credit, good credit. Of course, the better your credit, the better your deal is going to be. Alright? So come on down, check us out. 2016 Acura MDX right here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Clean title, ready for new ownership. Give us a call, 984-200-2061 if you have any further questions on this vehicle. Alright, until the next one, guys, I'm out.